choosing the right broker for you can be a bit of a headache. But today I'm going to be relieving that stress. I'm going to be comparing the new hottest broker in town, Stoic FX, versus RoboForex. And at the end of this, you should have an idea of which broker you would be leaning towards.
This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only.
Let's jump into the video. So, jumping over to the main page, you can see Stoic is super clean. You know, the colors are very easy to look at and it is a very professional looking website. In terms of ease of getting around, everything you need is clearly shown. It's very well written and it's just pretty easy to navigate, to be honest. If you wanted to head over to the liquidity, fine. The affiliate link's great. And obviously you can see the different platforms. So as a beginner, the user-friendly interface is just a very nice thing to have. But when jumping over to RoboForex, you can see that there is quite a bit going on. Obviously, they do start off with some good information at the start, but after this, it just becomes a bit difficult to look at. And all the information is there, but just as a beginner, you would feel pretty overwhelmed with what's going on. And one thing I'm looking for when choosing a broker is just ease of navigation, because you know, when you're signing up and you need to find something, just having everything there clear to read and easy to navigate is pretty important. So the market access, what can you trade and what can't you trade? So Stoic FX, Forex, they give you all the major and minor exotic currency pairs and razor thin spreads. So their advanced execution technology helps minimize the slippage and ensures real-time quotes. So as a Forex trader myself, and I do scalp, this is quite key for my personal trading. And obviously you do have access to indices and commodities and also cryptocurrencies. So everything that you need is here. It's pretty simple, easy to navigate. So as a beginner, you wouldn't want more than Forex indices and commodities and cryptocurrencies. You know, going over to RoboForex, you can see all the different things that they have here. They have stocks, indices, futures, ETFs, stock commodities, energies, metals, and currencies. And you know, this is pretty good. There's a good range of things to have, but there is a lot of options. So as a beginner, you're probably not going to be trading a lot of these. So going with Stoic FX versus RoboForex, one has a lot and the other has just exactly what you need. So it depends if you want to be overwhelmed or not. You know, as a beginner, if you're coming in and trading a leverage of 1 to 2,000, it's going to be super easy for you to blow your account. You know, I would say that probably RoboForex is more for those advanced traders, but Stoic FX probably has everything you need when you're starting out. When it comes to what platforms you can use, obviously Stoic FX, it has MetaTrader 5, it has WebTrader, and it has their own mobile app. Personally, I'm a MetaTrader 5 user. Everyone else I know uses MT5. So again, there's no issue in transition for me to head over and use them with MT5. Looking at RoboForex, same again, MT4, MT5, you know, it kind of has everything that you need anyway. If they didn't have MT5 or MT4, I'd be pretty surprised, as it's kind of the main one that everyone uses. Now, one thing for me that stands out with Stoic FX is their affiliate marketing program. Now, one of the best ways to promote a business is by rewarding people to share it with their friends and family. And one thing that you get with Stoic FX is the ability to do this. You can embrace the opportunity to join Stoic FX's affiliate network, where disciplined effort yields a minimum of $250 per lot traded with no limit to your potential rewards. Now, basically what this means is as people sign up, you can make money just by them participating. This is quite a rare thing, but it means that if you jump on and you like Stoic FX and you want to share it with your friends, you can start benefiting off of them participating. And RoboForex does not have this. It is simply just not available. You know, if you're on RoboFX, their promotions, you get a welcome bonus, you get decent leverage, you know, but there's nothing here saying, you know, if you get your friends or family involved, you're going to get some sort of reward or bonus. It's just not there. So Stoic FX, you know, kind of nudges it on this one for me. Now, again, the sign up page, super easy. email, password, first name, last name, phone number, country. You know, the simple processes. It's very easy to get involved with Stoic FX. You know, with RoboForex, again, email, first name, last name, mobile number, you confirm, you register. But after this, you do have a little more few steps to go through. So Stoic FX is just easy to get involved. And like I said, if you're a beginner, it's probably the one that you're going to want to choose. So as you can see, guys, both are good brokers in their own right. However, for me, Stoic FX just edges this one. All the information you need are in the description below. So go ahead, click those links, get involved, and then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button if you want to be alerted on my next videos.